First, avoid using your hands to cut food. Instead, use a cutting board. Cut down into the surface of the cutting board away from you. Avoid cutting your fingers by keeping them in a claw grip on the food item you are cutting. Your firm grip on the blade and your knuckles pressed slightly against the blade will guide the cutting and allow you to have more control. Avoid horseplay in the kitchen, especially when using a knife. Never point a knife at a person or a classmate. Cooking is a serious activity, and joking and kidding should be at a minimum. When passing the knife, simply turn the blade towards you, allowing the other person to grab the handle. Avoid trying to catch a falling knife. Simply allow it to finish falling, and you can wash it and sanitize it afterwards. Avoid trying to open a can with a knife. Cutting a can with a knife would create jagged edges and cause serious injury. Instead, use a can opener which makes smooth edges in an aluminum can. Avoid putting a knife in the sink with soapy dishwater and leaving it there. You may not be able to see the knife or forget you placed it there. If you or someone else plunge your hand into the dishwater, the result could be a serious cut to the hand. Finally, if glass breaks while you are in the kitchen, simply use a broom or a dustpan to collect the largest broken pieces. Then use a wet paper towel to gather tiny remaining fragments left behind. Avoid using your bare hands when handling broken glass. First, avoid leaving a spill on the floor. Wipe up spills and dry the area immediately. Avoid putting a rug in your kitchen workspace if it does not have a non-skid back. The non-skid back will prevent the rug from moving and creating the chances of you slipping while working in the kitchen. Avoid climbing on a counter to reach items on a high shelf. Instead, use a stool or step ladder. Also, do not use a chair since it could easily tip over.